The NXL World Cup is the biggest paintball tournament on earth, and you want to know what it's like to play in it. So I'm going to show you exactly that as me and my team at Greenville Growl headed out to Kissimmee, Florida to play this exact tournament. We're playing in the semi-pro division, which is the second highest division in competitive paintball, so nothing's ever easy. And if you win this tournament, you go down in paintball history. But even bigger than that, for a select few teams like the one that I'm on, you have a chance to go pro.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go!
We apply pressure! We don't let these guys breathe! And we breathe! We dance! We fucking flow!
Ekor radiologi, edisi pertama. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada semua yang hadir pada hari ini. Itu ada pada penjauh sekarang. Penjauh pipi kot penjauh penjauh pipi penjauh. Dan kebanyakannya adalah tim daripada Lembah Kelang.
Saya harap kita dapat gerakan bersama. Lepas tu jaga diri, jangan ada izin. Okey? Izin adalah izin. Okey?
Jom, pukul 12 aku jom!
Okey, aku cover. Gerak, 1, 2, 3. Mantap. Oh, steady. Baik.
Amat. MVP. Ini MVP semua.
Amat.
Cover! Satu A.
Ini oleh pasukan Angkrik daripada ISPJ.
3